Hello. Oh, wait, I have to click out of this. Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, where I play crypto. Well, spend a bunch of money on crypto games. But not only that, I also review miracles around the world. And today we have a viewer sending in their spaghetti after they put it in the where do you make spaghetti? Is this lasagna? After they put in their spaghetti and they took it out of the oven or whatever the fuck it's called, it looked like Jesus. So is this the second coming, or is it just an elaborate hoax? You decide. Is my microphone on? Yes, it is. So back to reviewing, playing the crypto games because reviewing is fucked. Wax Arena. Now I've seen it a lot of the times. I've seen the other crypto YouTubers play it as well. I still haven't got into it, but I did now as of like 2 days. So I'm gonna make a very elaborate tutorial as I always do, and see what's up. Now in actuality, I just have a large ass fucking arena box, and I want to open it. So I'm making a video because who doesn't? As you can see, I already bought a few items, but I'll get into that later. First of all, what the fuck is Wax Arena? Well, as far as I know, which is not a lot, it's gonna be something like our planet but better. You see, because you're gonna have all these NFTs from different projects that you can buy, and you can stake them. I mean, they get staked automatically in Wax Arena. You don't even have to put them in like an our planet to stake and shit. You just have to have them in your inventory, and they get staked, and you earn. Oh shit! Can I? Okay, there we go. And you earn AXP or some shit. Yeah, which you can't really do anything with right now since the game isn't out and it's not on any exchange yet. But if my understanding is correct, it will be added to Alcor, just like Aether, and then you can sell it. I guess whatever. So they have their own NFTs, and then they have whatever projects they work with, just like our planet. That if you have any of their collections, you also earn AXP. But before we get into that, let's see what did they have on their site. So collect NFTs, raise power points, earn wax. No, you earn AXP, bro. Don't ruin my video. Don't make me look stupid. Create and customize your characters. Enter in arena fights. Right, so more than our planet, because you will also have arena fights. You will have characters that you can also unbox or buy, and then you gear them up, and then supposedly we're gonna have arena fights and shit where you PvP or fight the world bosses. Or let's just read more. Oh, they have a white paper. Probably you should have opened that as well. All right, well, so they got some partners, right, wax rewards, right, how it works. Each player will have a character linked to the wax wallet. The character will be your commander in arena fights, so you can have one character active at a time, I think. The cards you have in your wallet from the approved collectors will give you power points. Yeah, the character can be customized, right. To enter to fight, you gotta pay between 5 and 10 wax. I don't know if that's gonna always stay like that, but I'm assuming so. Be the first to defeat the arena champion and win the prize. All of the wax earned from key drops will be used for the prize pool. Gnarly, dude. So you have like a shitty roadmap. What does it say? Oh, okay, it just opens the game. Nice. Okay, cool. So character build, that's up. A wax arena shop, that's not out yet. All core listing, all right. And then the PvP and all the game modes. Okay. So we got that. Now you can also go to about. Yo, can you fuck off? And we have some more information here. Game mechanics and rewards. Arena fight. Each player will be able to participate in arena fights. Each arena will have one or more champions that players will need to defeat. So this is PvE, right? Key drops. To enter into the arena fight, you will need to have an arena key. The keys will be available on hub drops for a price between, the key purchases will constitute blah blah, and then go into the prize pool. Every player participating to an arena fight has a small potential to blah 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 blah. If you fight the champion and lose, you will have 1 hour cooldown. The cooldown can be lowered. Okay, chance to win. Wax Arena is a competitive and fair competition that gives every player a chance to victory. Blah blah blah. Your keys, your power points. Don't get too confident. Blah blah blah. Right. Well, let's have a look at the white paper. What can we? Introduction, yeah, I already did that. Wax Team Arena did that. Roadmap covered it. Lore, no one cares. PowerPoints and Arena XP did it. Character builder, I'll get into it. Shut the fuck up. Attribute points and skills, yeah, whatever. Fight mechanics, set equipment. Game modes, 2-7. Let's see what game modes could we have. So, Wax Arena, blah blah blah. Player versus player, PvE, and challenge mode. The mode is a 1v. Oh, so you 1v1 people. Daily fights versus other players matched automatically. Right, so PvP, PvE, and yeah. Cool. Well, that's all you need to know for now. So, once you actually go into my collection and you link your Atomic Hub, you will get this thing, which you will have nothing on. Unless you have NFTs from any of these collections. Then you can already be earning AXP. Hey, this is the video title. Hey, you're missing out on AXP. Put your fucking NFTs to work. Right. We got the title. What was I talking about? Right. So you're gonna need the characters for the PvP and PvE, but for now you can just have the cards and farm the AXP. You also need 500 power points to start earning AXP. I currently have 873 apparently because I bought a bunch of shit. I also bought some gear that I could use, because once you have your PP points, that's just amazing. You go here, right, and then you have to add your points to the character, right, and then you can activate the character. And then you're gonna need, for me to put this shit on him, I need to have 500 points allocated, right? And then 150 for this, and 150 for this, and so on. So yeah, I don't have any gear for that. Wow, that's wait. What do you mean? Oh, okay. So this is where you put stuff on it, and then you make active, save, build. Once you go to the next thing, you'll have this as well, where you can put your attribute points and gear points, which you will get depending on the level and I think what gear you have on them. And then you also have to spend your big PPs to be able to use these, because you need to see, for one you need 100 and so on, and it grows. The more you put, the higher this gets. So you're gonna need big PPs to gear up your character and put the attributes. But in short, that's basically it. It's like our planet. You stake your NFTs. You will also have some other game modes that you can play. You know, in the Wax Arena and stuff, you can fight players and shit. I want to open the box, you know? So I have a Wax Arena Contender box, right? The large box. Let me check out the market. Oh. Well, there it was anyway. So, we got the packs. You have your, this is the gear packs, right? Then the character packs, right? Which, how much are they going for? So $32 for the large one, and you get 3 characters with 3 possible levels. So, and these are the contender, wait, yes, these are the contender boxes, and these are the equipment boxes. Oh, you can get this shit as well. I didn't even see. 132. What the fuck? How many cards are in it? 18 equipment cards. Damn. That's expensive. Alright, these are at $80 currently. That's great. They will probably go way up more in value once actual game modes comes out and once it actually gets added to Alcor. But, oh Jesus spaghetti, get the fuck out of here. But I don't have time for that. I mean, I don't have patience to wait till then, and I'll probably regret opening the boxes. It would be much more worth it money-wise if I would just wait and then sell it later. But I want to open the boxes because I have an addiction. So let me open this box. I have 873 before the box. Let's see how much I will have after the box. These all look like shit. Okay, so I got 2 epics, but oh my god. So, epic, common, epic, 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 common, epic, common, 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 epic, common, common, common. Oh no. Oh, one mythic, but I don't think it's that good. So, okay. Alright, okay. Cool. Can I? Okay. Okay. So, I got one mythic, a few epics, and that's about it. So, these are the epics? No. This is a common. Are you? Anything else? Okay, so this one's an epic. Right? I don't think these are selling for shit. $2. God dang. Okay. Alright. Which one was the mythic one? This one? No. Oh, this one. 23 full dollars? That's crazy, dude. 500 of them. I don't think I think Immortal is the highest ranking, and this is the second highest. But again, once shit comes out, maybe the price will go higher. So it's been up for like a month. Damn. All right. Well, one mythic. Let's see what how much power I got from one large box. Okay. All right. Okay. So like 800 and something, or 800, I guess. How much is the mythic game? Hmm. What's the? Oh, it's epic. Right. Right. So these are common, epic. Wow, $2. Crazy. Bunch of commons. These are epic as well. Also $2. Also epic. Also $2. And that's about it. Well, I mean, pretty much. Like I said, probably would have been a better idea to keep it unless the mythic ones also go up in price, but who knows. So I pretty much got double the PP now. It takes a while to upgrade, I guess. Maybe every hour, or you have to wait over the hour. So it's 53 now. I have to wait an hour and 7 minutes for it to upgrade. But with the 800, I was earning 0.28, so now I'm earning 0.50, I guess. So yeah, that was that was a thrill. But hey, basically, like the title of the video says, you might be missing out on gains, bro. You got ultra rare, you got God's Legends, who you got Destination One. Who even? We are Alex and Andrea, the creators of Noah collect, collectibles, a collection of snapshots taken during our travels. Who fucking cares? What do you mean? What is this? Do they just what? These aren't pictures of your travels. You can buy packs. Well, there you go. Hmm. Cool. How many cards do you get? 4 digital trading cards. Nice. So, but anyway, hey man, if you and these are theirs. So I think that's pretty much it. Basically, I just wanted to open the box, let it be known on the channel that I did start playing it, and gonna see what happens in the future. What game modes? I probably need some more characters and probably need some more gear. I don't have. What gear do I have? I bought some epics and some mythics, so I got these boys right for a whopping $6. I got some boots, and then I got some shields, and I got some blades. I got this one for a whopping $18, and yeah, some garbage. But that's about it. I'll probably be burning more money into it. As you can see, this makes me sad. I spent 6.5K, sold nothing because I'm like, why would you ever sell anything, right? And the estimated value of my total holdings is 2K. Wow. Who's laughing now, Dad? Who's laughing now? I told you I'd make it. Okay, well, there's not much more to cover. It's still a new game, still a lot coming out, still big. We got the team here. He looks like he doesn't want to be there. He just looks disappointed. He looks like he's gonna fuck your girlfriend. Well, what was I talking about? Right, new game, still a lot to add. Still, don't miss out on the gains if you don't even want to buy the boxes or whatever, because you can still just have the whatever, just sync your Wax account. This video was pretty long in it, 15 minutes. Wow. But hey, we didn't have any breaks, right? I didn't have to flip the screen, so I don't have to edit shit. It's great. Life is great. Although, um, hmm, I think that's it, bro. Right? Is that it? Or should I just awkwardly scroll for another minute, thinking about my life decisions? Be the most powerful challenger in the arena and earn rewards. Climb up the ladder and earn EXP to claim exclusive rewards. Right. So this is the leaderboard, right? And if you're on it, I guess you earn some more rewards as well. Interesting. See where you rank in the leaderboards for the tier you're participating in. Win bragging rights or get the motivation you need to push your collection to the next tier. Passive income from PowerPoints as EXP tokens. All characters above 500 points will receive the tokens. There is a minimum 500 PowerPoints threshold to keep bots and accounts with no collections. So do you need a character to start earning, or do you just need the cards? Because if you need a character, I mean, for now, they are extremely cheap. So if you do need it, then, yeah, I mean, it's $1, 50 cents. Yep. Yeah. So if there is a time to start it, it's now, I guess. Okay, I'm gonna wrap up the video because I got a lot more to smoke and I cannot be wasting time because I'm losing my buzz. I'll see you in some other videos or updates. Also, if you have homemade miracles that you want to show me, send me some pictures, man. I'll review them. All right, peace out.